In this video, I'm going to look at conversion of metric units. Now, we shall use the 7-staircase conversion chart. This is just a method for converting metric units. Now, the middle square of this chart will hold the basic unit, and the basic unit for measuring distance is a meter, which means I'll have meter there. Now, from the meter, other units of length have been devised to handle smaller or larger distances, for example, millimeters, centimeters, kilometers, and there are others as well, though you rarely use them. So, what I'm going to do is to start from the top, and I'll start from this prefix called kilo. So this is just a prefix which means 1,000 units, and then followed by that there's hecto, which means 100 units. Next you have deca, which means 10 units, and then after that below meter we have deci, which is 0.1 unit, and then we have centi, which is 0.01 unit, and then we have milli, which is 0.001 unit. Now, how do we use this conversion chart to convert into these units? To convert to smaller unit, multiply by 10 each time you go down a step. So basically, when you start from the top here, each time you go down a step, you multiply by 10. So that will be multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. Each step, when you're going down, you multiply by 10. Now, to convert to a larger unit, which means you're going up, divide by 10 each time you go up a step. So which means that will be divided by 10, divided by 10, all the way up. So that's divide by 10, divide by 10. So in the next page, I'll explain how we can use this chart to convert into these units. So remember, the base unit for measuring distance is meter, which means the meter goes in the middle here. And then common units that we use for measurement are kilometers. Remember, kilometers, and then centimeter, so centimeter, and then millimeter there. Now, suppose you want to convert 4 kilometers to meters. That will mean that my starting point will be at kilometers, and then that will be my end point. Now, those are how many jumps? 3 jumps. Each jump, remember, is multiplied by 10, which means to move for kilometers to meters, that is equivalent to multiplying by 1,000, which means 4 kilometers will be equal to 1,000 multiplied by 4, which will be 4,000 meters. Here is another example. Remember, your base unit goes in the middle, meter there. We have kilometer, and then we have centimeter and millimeter. And then basically, if you want to convert from centimeter to kilometers, So centimeter to kilometers, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of this is divided by 10. Remember, you're dividing by 10 each time. So overall, that is equivalent to dividing by 100,000. So if we're to convert 550 centimeters to kilometers, that will be equal to 550 divided by 100,000, which will be equal to 0.0055 kilometers. Now, suppose you're dividing from meters to millimeters. Now, meters to millimeters, that means you're going downhill. So 1, 2, 3. Remember, that's multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. And that's equivalent to multiplying by 1,000. So that this will be equal to 3.5 multiplied by 1,000, which will be equal to 3,500 millimeters.